Hey guys, I'll show you the footage that I drove through Hurricane Helene in Florida. Just 1 or 2 minutes worth of driving. Thank God it didn't hit here directly, but we got some effects. Got a little bit of flooding. Thank God the family's house is fine. Nothing got affected. Just down the street was a little flooding, so I decided to drive through with the family. So here's the videos.
I think he's stuck.
Are you sure, Rob?
I don't know. I don't know if I would do
Let's
it.
go. Let's have some fun.
The other guys are stuck.
You could just pull in the main entrance where he's at. Oh yeah.
It's deep.
Huh?
It's deep.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. Is that a sheriff deputy? That's a sheriff deputy right there. Oh wow. Oh, it's just right here. See? Over there it's better.
Oh.
That's crazy, man. Yeah, it's coming right up the roads. This place always floods though, where it used to work.
There's more water now.
I think there is, man. Yeah, stay on the right side. Yeah, it's coming in, man.
Oh yeah, it's definitely coming. There's more now.
Yeah, down there it's like really bad. You can't go down that street. That's crazy.
Wow, it's all...
Yeah, Rocio, it's all flooded down that street. Those houses must be completely flooded. Wow. That's crazy. From the river. Yeah. Let's get back to our house and see if he's coming up the dock.
Oh, dude, you
Yeah,
got...
no, he's stuck. He's
slowly going back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You probably just flooded him.
Oh well.
Can you go left here? I don't know. Do you have another like spotlight or something?
No, it's open.
It's open. Okay. Oh, look at those trees down. Oh wow. Oh shit, it's up their driveway, man.
Yeah.
But it's just right here. Up there.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's weird, isn't it? I wonder why.
Sewage?
No, I don't think so.
The sewage here?
No, I don't. Well, it could be. It's right. Maybe it's coming up to the manhole.
That is water too. What
Yeah.
are you talking about?
Up there it is. We're seeing it.
Up there, yeah, right here. I think the water might be coming up now.
Maybe it
Before
is.
It wasn't
like this
It
earlier?
wasn't like this, no. I mean, we'll see how deep we can go.
Oh yeah, it's not that deep, Rocio. It's a couple inches. I can see the road. Yeah, I mean the stop sign's like right there. So I mean, you're fine. You're fine. It's just in the road.
Yeah, I'm just going slow, so
Yeah. No, it's never been this bad. You can go that way, to the left.
I know, but what's my flashlight?
I can take a picture.
Oh, flooded?
Yeah. Wow.